How to upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram installed. Once you check that, open your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now simply hit on the plus button which is on the bottom of your screen. Then you will be asked to choose a photo or video. Make sure that you choose landscape video. Once you choose that, on the top you will see next option. Simply tap on it. Then again hit on the next and simply select share. In this very easy step, you can easily upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.